with the review, everyone.
Yes, sir.
So, which group wants to start first? Group number one or group number two?
Yes, sir. Group number one.
Yep, please.
Yeah. 1 second.
Go ahead.
Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, it is visible.
Hi everyone. Today I'm going to present an overview of Highcloud Airlines performance using this interactive Power BI dashboard. This dashboard focuses on data from 2008 to 2013 and also specific periods in the further detail. So, coming to the KPI one, the KPI one was to create a calendar table and add the year, quarters, month number, month name, year months, financial quarters, and financial month, weekday name, and the weekday number. Coming to the dashboard, the total number of airlines partnered with Highclouds is 110.85K. So in 2008, we have 17.87K. At 2013, we have 18.98K. So here we can see a 6.21 percentage increase in the partnered airlines. Total passengers, we have 187 million. In 2008, we have 13 million total passengers, whereas in 2013, we have 33 million passengers. That is an increase in 10 percentage, demonstrating growing customer confidence. However, closer look using time filters might reveal seasonal fluctuations. Coming to the destination countries, we have 106 destination countries. This showcases global footprint of the Highcloud Airlines. We have added the time filters for that is a month, quarter, and year that allow us to zoom in and zoom out specific time frames so that we can analyze the trends, compare performance across the periods. Moving to the flight distribution KPIs, the first KPI is the top 5 flights based on the distance groups. Here, the flights are categorized into groups based on the predetermined distance ranges. Uh, by analyzing the top 5 flights based on the distance group, we can see the short haul flight dominate the top 5, suggesting a strong demand for the domestic travel. In the second KPI of top routes based on the flights, showcases the routes with highest number of flights. We see that Chicago tops the Chicago ranking high, indicating a strong demand for this route. Coming to the load factor KPIs, a load factor is the percentage of seats filled on an average flights. A higher load factor signifies the better utilization of resources and potentially translate to higher profitability. So, by looking at the load factor by years chart, we can observe a steady increase in the load factor over the past few years, indicating efficient capacity utilization. So, coming to the weekday versus weekend load factor, on the weekdays, we have higher load factor on the weekdays compared to weekends. Here, the strategy can be adjusting the flight schedule so that it offer more flights during the peak demands, that is on the weekdays, and potentially reduce or consolidate the flights during the lower demands, that is on the weekends. Coming to the top 5 transported passengers by the carrier name KPI, here, the top 5 transported passengers reveals the airlines contributing the most passengers to the Highcloud network. So, knowing which airlines are driving passengers helps the Highcloud to collaborate more closely with the top performing patterns. So, here the Southwest Airlines go top with the 34 million passengers. The dashboard 2, coming to the dashboard 2, it gives the search capability to find the flights between the origin country, state, and the city to the destination country, state, and city. Here, the origin city, we choose Abilene, and to the Dallas, here we can see the flights available from the origin city to the destination city. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good job. I like the dashboard.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, let's go to next group.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, all. Can you see me my screen, sir?
Yes.
Today, I'm going to present uh, about high cloud analysis in Power BI. So, first of all, I have taken this data set, which was in a CSV format. Then we have very less number of row. Actually, we have row name like year, day name, and month number. So I have converted that row with the help of I have selected like day and a month number and all, and go to combine column, and from merge this sheet. So it will come as this date, whole date format. So then I converted this one data set, data format in this date. Then again from this column only, I go to this date format, and from here I have used this formula like year, and for month name I have created from here only, and for quarter also I use a conditional column uh, type, and from here I make for this quarter, and I as uh, before quarter number I add a prefix as a q and dash. Then next this week of year I make from here only, and these all make in Power Query editor only. Then I make first of all this KPI one, where we need to perform uh, date column. So I have make first of all take this year, then month, quarter, financial month, like this one. I have completed this first KPI. For second, I have make according to load factor, quarter wise and month and year wise. So this one is for KPI 2. For KPI 3, I have taken according to carrier name. So for this one I have make this area chart. Fourth one is according to transported passenger by carrier name. So for most of the uh, passenger travel by Southwest Airlines, and followed by these all. And for fifth KPI I make this area chart with column. So it is according to airlines from city wise. For six, I make donut chart. It is according to weekday and weekend load wise. Seventh KPI is remap. It is according to airlines and distance travel according to state wise. And next dashboard part will explain why, Swati.
Hello all. Today I am explaining the high cloud analysis dashboard. It shows the first card shows the total airlines, then total city, total country, then total distance traveled, then total passengers. Here we get the area chart with column for airline by travels by city. Then second area chart for count of load factor by carrier name. Then third by transport passenger by carrier name. Then we use the donut chart for weekdays and weekend, and tree chart for total distance covered by airline. Then we are using filters for year, financial quarter, and weekdays and weekend. Thank you.
Okay. Good job. I like the dashboard, guys. Nice. Okay. Let's go to next group.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. Okay. I will share the screen.
Yes, please.
Hey everyone. Good afternoon. Myself Sufan from Group 3. Here I am presenting for BI on the topic on airline, high cloud airlines. In this, we use the DAX formula to find the financial quarter, financial month, and financial year like that. And I'm moving to KPI. Here is the home tab. In KPI 1, we find the load factor by quarter, and we can see the graph. And KPI 1.1, we find the month name load factor by month name. And KPI 1.2, find load factor by year, and we see the graph in this. And KPI 3, load factor by carrier name. And KPI 4, top 10 carrier name based on passenger preference. Here is the top 10 carrier names. And the KPI 5, this is the top 10 routes based on the flights. We can see on the chart, this is the top routes. And KPI 6, load factor by weekday and weekend. And I'm going to KPI 7. We can see the destination state, destination country, destination city. We can find all this by using the slicer. And KPI 8, this is the number of flight based on the distance group ID. And I'm moving to dashboard 1. In dashboard 1, we can see there is 244 million available seats and 187 million transported passengers. And the total flight is 110.85K. And also we can use a slicer to find a particular data on dashboard. And I'm going to move dashboard 2. In dashboard 2, there is a carrier. Yeah, no audible, sir. I wind up the project presentation.
Okay. Who is next?
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Abhinav. I am from group third group. Today I am going to present Highcloud analysis, and this is first question. And in this question, we find year, month name, quarter, year, month, weekday number, weekday name, financial month, and financial quarter. And we are going to next question. In this question, we have find yearly, quarterly, and monthly basis load factors, and we're going to this quarterly and monthly. We're going to question 3, and in this question, in this KPI, we have names by load factor, and we are going to question 4. In this KPI, we have top 10 career names based on passenger preference, and we are going to question 5. And in this KPI, we have top routes based on number of flights, and question 6. In this KPI, the load factor by weekday versus weekend. And moving to question 7. In question 7, here we have filters, origin city and origin country and origin state, and we can find out origin destination city, destination state, and destination country. And we are moving to question 8. In this KPI, we have number of flights based on distance group ID, and we are moving to dashboard. This is our first dashboard, and we can find to quarter 1 basics and year base and monthly base. And we are moving to this our dashboard 2. Yeah, that's it, sir. Hello. Hello.
Okay. Thank you. Who is next?
Group 5, sir.
Yes. Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah. Yes. 1 second. It's am I audible?
Yes, you are.
My screen is visible right now?
It's loading.
Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Is my screen is still loading? Hello.
It's visible. You can start.
Okay. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. This is Deepika from Group 5. Now we are taking a look at the airline industry with the data of US transportation. Through this data, now we'll analyze data for airlines to look for trends in utilizations and load factors. Now, as per the KPI requirements, firstly, we created a day field table giving tax functions like month, year, month name, so on. For intelligence calculations to create a reports that precise for the date informations. Now, moving to my dashboard. In this page, we are looking at a couple of utilization metrics, load factors, destinations for all the airlines. Now, to differentiate with it, I'm just taking one individual airline, which is JetBlue. At the top of the report, now we see load factors and destination for the data of JetBlue. On the top right corner, we can see how the load factors utilization doing on weekends and weekdays. On the top of the bar chart, we can see number of flights traveled by distance group in miles, and we can analyze the yearly, monthly, quarterly utilization metrics of load factors through these date filters. Like if you want to see the yearly, you can just click on quarterly, on monthly. Through these date filters, we can just, we can get the precise information for the particular data through these date filters. Now moving to our bar chart on the left, we can see the load factors, percentage of load factors by originating airport code. Or if I choose, we can look at the number of flights arriving at different destinations. Here, understanding identifying the passengers' behavior for top city routes and top airlines priorities of passengers. I'll just give the all airlines. Now here, understanding and identifying the passenger behavior for top city routes and top airline priorities of passenger to get an idea how utilizations are doing by the top airlines.
Yeah.
Now, on this report page, we can do a search for those airlines in question, either by origin country, state, or city, as well as destination country, city, or state. For instance, I'll just take Alaska and here for Texas. The search capability within slicers narrow down our focus right where we want to be. Now, just finally, the conclusion of this project, Highcloud airline analysis, is to get vital insights of aerospace operational performance and understanding the passenger behaviors. That's all from my side, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
Nice. That's good.
Okay. Let's go to next group.
Yeah.
Group number 6. Who is present from group number 6? Guys, I'm audible or no?
Yes, sir, audible.
Can
Hi, sir.
someone confirm if I'm audible?
Yeah,
you are
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, audible.
Sir,
Who
Supriya
will be
from our,
presenting now?
Supriya from our group will be presenting, sir.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. 1 second. Hello, sir. She have some network issue. She'll be rejoining now, sir. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, sir. She have some network issues. She'll be rejoining, sir.
Okay. So ask her to join quickly.
Yeah, yes, sir. She's joining. Yeah.
Hello, sir. I'm audible.
Yeah, audible. You can
Yes,
start.
I can hear you.
Okay, sorry, sir, for this interruption.
No
Sir.
problem.
This is Supriya from Group 6, and as we can see here, the dashboard 1. Here it is 78 billion payload and 82-meter distance, 187-meter passenger travel, and 54.5-meter load factor. And here we can see that the load factor by weekdays versus weekend. And here is, as we can see in the given pie chart, 54.52 out of weekends and 54.53% out of weekdays. And average load factor by carrier name, the highest average load factor is 90.10%, and the carrier name is Global Spain Airway Limited, and the lowest average factor is 82.18%, and the name is Jetstar Airway Private Limited. And in the another one, so in the next image, as we can see that the top 10 routes of by number of flights are shown, and one of the highest, that is the count of airline, is 95 from Chicago to Detroit. And in the lowest one, there are two airlines with the count of 74 airline, but from the vary of Atlantica to Washington, and another one is Atlanta to Chicago. And average load factor percentage by month, quarter, and year. Since the starting of the month, it's in the low percentage factor. As the month passes, we can see the increase in the load factor. In the diagram from June to August, the amount of load factor is 57 percentage. In between July, there is 58 percentage, and then again by the end of the month, it reaches to 52.31 percentage. And by year, if we can see, it's can you just drill up and drill down and the average load factor, Vinu? No, just by clicking average load factor in that, can you just drill up and drill down? Yeah. Yeah. By quarter wise, as we can see, in quarter 3, that is 56.05 percentage, and one more drill up and down for the month. Sorry, for the year. Yeah, and here we can see that 53.54 percentage in 2008, and low factor increases on the year 2013 by 54.41 percentage. Yes, the dashboard too. Okay, So here the total flight is 11K and the distance is 82 meter. Passenger travel is 187 meter and load factor is 54.5 percentage. And here we can see the transported by freight is 84 billion, transported by mail is 298 and passenger is 187 million. So airlines by flight type is by domestic US carrier only, that is airline of 96,547, which is 87.1 percentage. And on another one which is international US carrier only, that is total airlines for international is 13,295, which is 11.99 percentage. And which is in the orange shade, it is international foreign carrier and total airlines for this is 898, which is 0.81 percentage. And the last which is in the purple shade, it's the domestic foreign carrier, which is the part of total airlines, which is 109, that is 0.1% of it. To top 10 carrier based on the passenger preference, on number one is Southwest Airline, and flight by distance at the very top distance international less than 50 miles and count of airlines ID is 58,047 only. To the next one, flight search. Okay, so here as we can see, we know just click on from select to Australia and country to United States. And state Australia, and from where it will be California. Australian California. And city will be Sydney and Los Angeles. So here we can see that the airline, aircraft and air groups, air confirmation and passengers are given in details if you want to travel from country, from state or from city to city. So thank you, sir. This is all from my side.
Okay, good job. Thank you. Okay, all the groups are done. So thank you so much, guys. It was good from everyone. Again, guys, a couple of things that I noticed in common is too many charts in one dashboard. I've been telling this from day one. Don't add too many charts in one dashboard. It's okay to create multiple dashboard, but have a good balance of slicers, cards, and charts. Okay, just remember that. Okay, for next session, what we are going to discuss: SQL and final PPT. For SQL, guys, you have to import the tables in MySQL and you have to solve the KPIs there. Straightforward, as you did for Tableau, as you did for Power BI, as you did for Excel. The same KPIs you have to solve in SQL. You can write views, you can write stored procedures, you can write the SQL queries to show the result for me, but I want the same answer as you got in the Tableau and Power BI. Any thoughts, any questions there regarding SQL before I go to PPT?
No.
No?
If you don't mind, can you please repeat once again
Which part you want me to repeat?
regarding the SQL project, how we need to proceed?
You
I
have
have
to
some-
import the
yeah.
Excel files in MySQL and you have to solve the KPIs. As I have given the questions, you have to solve all those in SQL.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, great. Now for PPT, guys, think I'm a client. I'm a manager of Highcloud Airlines. Will you explain me the PPT technically, or will you tell me what is the benefit that this project will be giving to my company? So you will be telling, okay, this is the table, this is the column, this is the calculation I have used. Will you tell like this, or you will tell which airline is performing better where, which airline is not performing better where, how we can improvise this? You will tell like this. Which way, method one or method two?
Method 2, sir.
Method 2.
Method method 2, right? Because technically we have seen week 1, week 2, week 3, we have seen technical things. Now week 4, I want to see a short PPT. If the PPT shouldn't be more than 6-7 slides. No guys, not more than that. Don't tell individual KPI, KPI 1, KPI 2, KPI 3. No, I'm not interested to listen that. I'm interested to listen about your overall objective. What was the purpose, and what are some key conclusions from your project? You can tell about the overview of the Highcloud's Airlines business. You can tell about data model. Okay, this is the data model, and what are the challenges you faced while working on the data model, just in few lines. Then you can tell these are my dashboards, and these are some visuals which will help me to take the decisions. And more importantly is your suggestions and conclusions. Okay, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So keep it more functional, keep it more functional, give more business understanding rather than technical understanding in PPT, because the business owner, the manager, they don't care about technical things. They care about what benefit this project is giving me. So think about that. And come up with an idea to give a short PPT in next session. So next session will be SQL and PPT both. Any questions for me? No questions? Then I'll hand it over to the co-mentor. Co-mentor, who is there from the XLR team?
Arif and Victor.
Yeah, Vital. Yeah, Vital, over to you, please.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I already informed them, like I took update from them. So guys, if anyone have anything like that is within your team, means if anyone is not contributing, please let me know. If everything is good, then we'll meet in the next meeting. That will be the final meeting of this project.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Let's meet next week.
Thank you. You too.
you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you.